Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to the week 8. We have 3 weeks left, almost toward the end. Really excited about everything. Really can't wait to see the whole video together and how it's pieced together. So I'm really excited to see that. So all your grades have been finished, updated. I'll be posting the discussion later today as well. This really quick announcement, just give some reminders. Just keep in mind you have your reply post due today. And let's take a look at that. Yep, we got your reply post due today. That's correct. And you also have your sorry about that. You also have your live lecture and course project, the full draft of the demo reel, first run through, due on Sunday. So there you go. So if you have any questions, just let me know. Other than that, just be safe, have fun, enjoy, have a great weekend. Class time should be the same for next week. No issues there. Other than that, that's pretty much it. So be safe, have fun, enjoy. Hope everybody has a great week, and see everybody later. Have a good one, my friends. Bye-bye.